Everybody, very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Welcome to today's class, all of you all. Today's practical class. I hope all of you all are keeping fine and you all have your laptops with you all. And guys, I have given you all some data files. Okay, 2016 was given last, no, 2016. 2022 was given last week itself. Okay, and what do you call, a few days ago, I reminded you all again to have it downloaded. So today's plan is I want to do the 2022 word processing question and then move on to the 2016 word processing question. Okay, so everybody, I'm going to share my screen now. Guys, girls, everybody over here, please. Boys, I'm talking about this particular folder, 2022. Okay, now those of you who downloaded, before we proceed any further, inside your past paper questions folder, can you create a folder called 2022? 2022 past paper. What did you want from me? I'm not giving pen drive hereafter. Okay, copy it today. I'm going to discontinue this. Otherwise, you're not downloading the files. Okay, today I'm giving the pen drive, but later on I'm going to be discontinuing this pen drive thing. Okay, so everybody, you all need to have a folder called 2022. 2022 past paper. Hurry up. Inside your word processing past paper question folder, you need to have another folder called 2022 past paper. Okay. Inside 2022 past paper, everybody, inside 2022 past paper, these are the files that you should be having. Can everyone see these files? Inside the 2022 past paper folder, these are the files. There are 4 files that you should be having inside it. Okay. Right, everybody, I'm going to get started now. I'm going to open up the question paper. So we are right now doing the 2022 word processing past paper question. 2022 word processing past paper question. Okay. Right, everyone, let's get moving now. Let's get moving. Can everyone can you all read this scenario with me? Can everyone read this scenario with me? Brogan Saravanan is the manager of the Perfect Party. The company offers party planning services. These are the company's contact details. So over here, you can see these are their contact details. Okay. Task 1, open the database file contact. You all don't need to do it. You guys do not. Okay. So there is a database file called contact. And when you open the database file, there is a table called address. Everybody okay with it? You all don't open it. Just look at my screen. Okay. So everyone over here, I have a database file called contact. I am watching behind over here. I'm going to open up this contact database. Inside contact database, guys, you can see over here, I have a table here called address. Everyone saw it? Inside this address table, if I were to zoom in, can you guys see when I open up the address table, what do you guys see over here? There are 3 contacts. Can you guys see this? Boys, look here. There are 3 contacts who are supposed to receive a letter. Okay. There are 3 contacts. There is one called Serene, Norman, and Shay. Okay. There are 3 people. They are supposed to receive a letter. So their contact details, I'm supposed to connect it with a letter that was given to me by the examiner. Does it make sense what I'm telling you all? These 3 contacts have to be connected to a letter given to me by the examiner. Okay, everyone? Right. So everyone over here, you all don't open up the database, okay? Can you all open up this Word document called letter? Open up the Word document called letter, okay? And then can you all enter these details inside it soon? Task B4A, your name, candidate number, and center number. Hurry up. Task B4A, your name, candidate number, and center number. Hurry up, please. Okay, Rahma, I saw your message just now. I'm sending it to everyone. So, Rahma, you need to have a folder here called 2022 past paper word processing question. Okay, and Rahma, at the end of the class, get my number so that we can get added to the class group. So everybody, inside our 2022 folder, I'm going to right click and say, I want a new Word document. Everyone with me? We right click and say, I want a new Word document. The name of this Word document was going to be, I forgot the name. Task. Oh, sorry. My bad. We don't need to create a new Word document. We have to open up letter, isn't it? My bad. We are supposed to open up letter. Open up letter. Double click and open up letter and go to your header or footer. They said go to your footer. Okay, so let's go and double click at the bottom. Where's our Word document? So here, guys, I get a, here, this is my Word document. I'm going to double click at the bottom. Can everyone see the bottom area? Double click over here. What do we type? Task B4A, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Everybody okay with this? This is getting hidden. I'm going to take it to the next line. Your name, candidate number, and your center number. Can everyone do this in the footer? Right, everybody, I'm zooming out. Okay. So task B4A, your name, sorry. Task B4A, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. For now, we are using 1, 2, 3, 4 for candidate number and center number. Okay. So everybody, I'm closing my header and footer. You can see when you open up your footer, the bottom area in header and footer tab, you get an option here called close header and footer. So I'm going to close my header and footer. Header and footer, close. Okay, right. Then everybody, over here, the examiner tells me, Brogan wants to send a letter to some customers who have booked a party. She has written the letter and saved it as letter. Everybody okay with this? She has written the letter and it is saved in letter. Everyone, this is the document, okay? This is the letter that she wants to send to her customers who have booked a party. Are we okay with this? Right. Then guys, what do they say next? Brogan has a list of 3 customers who will be sent the letter in the address table in the contact database. Does it make sense? The details of the people who are supposed to receive this letter, where are they kept? In the contact database. Perfect. Okay. Everyone understood this? In the contact database, inside the address table, you can find the details of the 3 customers. Didn't I show it to you all? I showed it to you all, right? I opened and showed it to you all as well. Right. So let's start. So guys, what feature are we going to use? What feature are you going to use for this? We are going to use a feature called mail merge. When you go to connect contacts to your letter, we use a feature called mail merge. Everybody okay with this? Okay. Right. I'm going to get started then. So I'm moving down now. So task B4A. Can everyone read with me? The letter needs to be edited before it is merged. Yeah. Okay. Wait for me. The letter needs to be edited before it is merged. Okay. Let's see what needs to be done. Edit the letter. Insert the logo you created in task A1B on the right hand side of the header. Now everyone, boys, girls, look at it. Task A1B we didn't do. So I have directly given you all the logo. Can you all check and see in your folder? In your folder, do you all have an image called logo? In your folder, you all have an image called logo. So you all need to use this as your logo. Does that make sense? Normally, guys, you all have to create a logo yourselves. Okay, but we didn't do that activity. We directly jumped to mail merge. Does it make sense what I'm saying? Telling you all. Okay. So guys, where do we have to put the logo? Right hand side of the header, isn't it? So then what do I do, guys? So I'm going to open up my header. Everybody, I'm going to double click and open the header. Where is my cursor blinking right now? Right or left? Right now my cursor is blinking on the left. Agree? The cursor is right now blinking on the left. Not a problem. Not a problem at all. For now, everybody, can you all go and copy? Shortcut key to copy the logo is Control C. I'm pressing Control C to copy. Then I come and I'm right now inside my header. Can you all see my cursor is blinking inside the header? Everyone saw this? My header is open. I'll do it again. Press Escape. I'm going to double click and open the header. Can you all see my cursor is blinking here? Shortcut key to paste. Control V. Control V. Now guys, is this all right? What's wrong with it? It's way too big. I have told you, adjust from the corners. Adjust from the corners. So when you click on your logo, guys, can you see the corners? Don't ever adjust from the sides. It will become stretched. So that how to undo? Control Z. Control Z to undo. So guys, from the corners, can you see my cursor? From the corners here. From the corners. Click, drag, 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 drag. Still not small enough. Drag, drag, drag. Okay, that looks good. Okay, still not completed. It's still on the left hand side. We have to bring it to the right, which I will show you all later. Okay, can you all do this, everybody? After this point, can I come and sit here? You're sitting too far away. Can I come and sit here? Me to come here, it's difficult. Right, everybody. Guys, girls, we are going to get moving now. Now, guys, I need to bring the logo over here. Okay, exactly. Now, guys, do you all remember I taught you all a feature that will allow you to freely move your images? What was that feature called? We had a feature that will allow you to freely move your image. That feature was called wrap text, isn't it? Right now, Word doesn't allow you to freely move your image. It doesn't allow you to take it where you want, isn't it? Control Z. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable wrap text. I'm going to put it in tight mode so I can move it wherever I want. Does it make sense? So everyone look at my screen now. I have clicked on my image and you can see we have a new tab here called picture format. When you click on your image, guys, you have something called picture format. So when you go into picture format, can you see over here you have something called wrap text? Everyone saw it? Inside wrap text, you have so many options. Okay. The option that I'm going to be using is tight. Tight will allow me to move the text, the image along with the text. Is it clear, guys? Now, if you choose behind text, the image goes behind the text. Doesn't really solve your problem. Okay, so I prefer to go with tight. I'm going to click on tight over here. And now, guys, watch this. When I click on the image moves around the text. So I bring it to the right-hand side. Everyone saw that? Yeah? Welcome. Use position and lifted it up. You didn't bring it to the right hand side. Okay, then no problem. If it works, that's all right. So I'm going to redo this again. Control Z. Click on your image. Come into picture format. Come into wrap text and say tight. And now you can freely move it to the right hand side. Can everyone do that? You have your image on the right hand side now. Right. Can everyone try that out? Copy. Okay, right. Then guys, come and take it. Watch your cables when you come. Then guys, next what do we do? Insert today's date in a suitable location. Insert today's date in a suitable location. Now guys, my work in the header is done. So I'm going to press escape and come out. I'm going to press escape again and come out of my header. Everyone saw that? Press escape and come out of your header. You might have to press it twice because you're having an image. First time you press escape, it will come outside the image. Second time you press escape only, it might come outside the header. Okay, why aren't you doing it? Done and finished. Okay, girls, press escape and come out of the header. Now you all tell me in a letter, suitable place to put today's date. No, in the footer you put the date. Left side where? Top, bottom, middle? Left, top. You mean before everything, isn't it? Before any of the contact details. Top right corner is also not in the header. Don't put in the header. Okay? So guys, above title and last name. Everybody, above title and last name, I'm gonna take that down. I'm gonna keep the cursor before title and press enter and take that down. So that goes down now. Now I have space at the top. Everyone saw that? I'll undo and redo. Control Z. I'm going to keep my cursor before title and I'm going to press enter. When I press enter, now I have space above. Are you typing today's date? You are not typing it. You are inserting it, meaning you'll tell the computer to put today's date, isn't it? So guys, how do we do this? 1 second. Everyone saw my cursor at the top? So Abdullah, like you said, if you want, you can right align this. It's not wrong. Okay, but if you want, you can keep it at the left as well. Perfectly all right. We don't type today's date. We come to insert. And in insert, guys, can you all find date and time? In the insert tab, you can see date and time is over here. Click on date and time and you choose the format you want. Okay, for me, the second format looks pretty good. The day is there, the date is there, the month is there, the year is there. That looks quite good to me. You choose whichever format you want. I'm going to go with the second one, okay? And I'm going to say okay over here. So can everyone see? I have inserted the date as well now. I didn't type it, I inserted it. Okay? All good? Okay, let's keep moving. Boys, girls, let's keep moving. Next, what do they tell us to do next? Insert a subject in a suitable location. First, tell me, guys, where should the subject appear? Top means where? Where? Tell me, between which sentence? Before the date? No. Before the name, right? Before dear first name, you generally put your subject, isn't it? So everyone look here. Dear first name, I'm going to keep the cursor before that and press enter. Guys online? So there was a, why does the logo color get faded? That's how the header is. The content in the header will be a bit faded when it's in the header or footer. Content in header or footer will be a bit faded. Okay, to indicate that it's header footer content. That's how it is. Okay. Okay, Arif, are you okay with the date part? Somebody has explained it to you. Ajinda, now we have completed quite a lot. If I go to start from the beginning, everyone else is going to have to wait. So you're going to have to watch the recording and start it, okay? So at least from this point onwards, you continue. We are in the 2022 paper. Okay? Right, everybody. What was I telling you all? Before dear first name, I'm going to put the subject. Boys, are you looking here? My cursor is before dear. I'm going to press enter. It goes down now. Now I have the cursor above. So over here, guys, what is a suitable subject? So everyone, what is this letter about? Brogan wants to send a letter to some customers who have booked a party. Invitation, somebody who has booked a party. Read the letter and tell me. Thank you for booking your and the party type. If you book with us again, you will have. So what do you think a suitable subject line would be? When you read the letter, guys, what would be a suitable subject line? A subject is a summary of what the letter is about. So what shall we say? I also thought the same. What about saying thank you for your booking as the subject line? The subject line can be thank you for your booking. Okay? Because they're basically thanking him now. Or we can say, for example, what do you call? Booking confirmation. No. Not booking confirmation. We are thanking them for their booking. Okay? Or shall we say, thank you for partying with us, something like that. Okay? Thank you for partying with us. Now, guys, look here. How do you make this look like a subject line, boys? You center line it, I agree. So shortcut key to center was Control E. Control E will center align it. What else do we do? You need to bold it. Control B. Anything else? Control U. Underline is Control U. And by the way, guys, if you don't want to use shortcut keys, all the options are over here. Bold, underline, okay? All of them are over here. Are we good? Thank you for partying with us. And then you have the letter. If you want, increase the size of it. If you want, increase the size of it. Make it size, I don't know, 12, for example. Okay. Are we good? Should I come to anyone's laptop? It is. You don't. So,
homemade rice. Where is the roots?
Right, we're going to keep moving. Guys, girls, keep moving. Next, what does it tell us? Boys, what does it tell us next? Add bullets to the relevant discount information. Everybody, add bullets, boys. Look here below. Add bullets to the, so these two are discount information, no? So can you all select it? We select it and we make it bullet points. Can you all see? In the home tab, we have bullet points over here. We click and make these bullet points. Are we okay with this? I'm going to undo this, Control Z. I'm going to select these 2 points. In the home tab, I'm going to say make it bullet points. Now these two have become bullet points. Everybody okay with this? One more thing, guys. They have also told us to put a complementary clause. Everyone, give me a suitable complementary clause. Best wishes or, sorry, you can say best wishes. You can say yours sincerely. Looking forward to doing more business with you. Thank you. Okay, you can choose any one of them. Okay, so I'll end with looking forward to doing more business with you. And one more thing, guys. Name of the role, name of the sender and job role. Where do I get those details? The name of the person who's sending this letter and his job role. Where do I get it? Not from the database, from the question paper. Everyone, what does the question paper say? Brogan wants to send a letter. Who is Brogan, guys? Person, what's his job role? Manager. Brogan Sarvanan is the manager, isn't it? In the question paper, they have told you Brogan wants to send a letter. Okay? And then in the scenario, they have told you who is Brogan. Are we okay with this? So can you guys get that down as well? Name of the sender is Brogan Sarvanan. Brogan Saravanan. And what is his job role? His job role is manager. Can you guys get these down? Complementary clause, name of the sender, role of the sender. Hurry up, please. Name of the sender. Sorry. I put looking forward to doing more business with you. You can choose thank you, yours sincerely. Hurry up. Okay. Now go ahead. Okay. Hurry up, pause it, please. Up there, in your bag, girls. Hurry up. Right, we're going to keep moving. Now, now everybody, naturally done. Right. So everybody, I'm going to keep moving from here. Looking forward to doing more business with you. name of the sender, role of the sender. Now, everybody, can you guys start, what do you call, reading with me? So guys, then what do we do next? Now we are going to do the merging. Everybody, now the merging is going to start. The client details are stored in the address table in the contact database. Keep watching. Everyone watch please. I showed you all the contact details, right? So now they're asking you to do the merging part. Okay, so they are saying over here, add the correct merge fields to document to replace the text in brackets. Now everybody, in class, when we were practicing mail merge, I did it with Excel, right? I used Excel to save the contacts. Do you all remember? Now here, guys, the examiner hasn't used Excel. He has used something called Access. Now, I realized some of y'all don't have Access. So everybody, how do you check if you have Access? Can you all going to start and type Access? And if a software like this shows up, Access is working for you all. If it doesn't show up, you cannot proceed any further. Okay? So some of y'all will have to just stop at this point. Some of y'all can go ahead with mail merger. Don't have. Guys, girls, can you all see if you'll have a software like this in start? When you are going to... Okay. Right, everyone, I'm moving. No problems here now? Nadeem, all of you okay there? Right, everyone, let's get moving. So those who do not have access, you all just observe. Those who have access, you all practice with me here. Okay, it's opening for you right now. Awesome. Right, everyone, boys, look here, look here. So now guys, anyone, can you guys guide me now through the process? Where do we go? Which tab do we go to? Mailings tab. Everyone, can we work together? What's wrong? Can we go into the mailings tab? So when you go into mailings, guys, your next option is select recipients. Who is supposed to receive this letter? Select recipients. So when you click on select recipients, there are three options. You tell me which option should I be clicking on? Very good. Use an existing list. Examiner has already given us that list. Use an existing list. So we click on that. Then Microsoft Word asks you, okay, where is that list kept? So can you locate where that list is? So it's in my 2022 folder. So in my 2022 folder, guys, contact is there. I have clicked on it. Okay. Contact is over there. Guys, girls, okay there? Okay. I have now clicked on contact. This is the database that has my contacts. Are we good? So now I'm going to click on open. When I click on open, Microsoft Word has now done the importing. Everybody okay with this? The contacts in Access, the contact details in the contact database have now been brought into Microsoft Word. Shall I prove it to you all? Everyone, can you all come into edit recipient list? Can you all see there is something called edit recipient list? When you click on that, can you see your contact details over there? Guys, girls, can you see your contact details when you click on edit recipient list? Okay, so Prabodha, I'll do that again. So Prabodha, I need to get the contact database into Microsoft Word. So we go into mailings, we go into select recipients, and we say use an existing list. And over here, you need to go to your 2022 folder and find it. So 2022, contact is over here. You say open. Okay. Then guys, to ensure it has been, imported. Did you see it? Did you click on edit recipient list? Did you see your contacts there? Nadeem, how about you? When you click on edit recipient list, you should see your contacts there. Okay. Right. Prabodh, okay there? Abdul, all of you okay now? Right. Now, guys, anyone remembers the next step? Exactly. Your next step is now put the merge fields in the correct place. Tell your computer where to put the title, where to put the last name, where to put address. Everybody okay with this? This is a bit tricky. So be very careful, guys. Select only title because there must be a space after title. No. Okay. So only title. Everyone saw this. I have selected only title. I haven't touched the space. only title, and I come to mailings tab. In my mailings tab, what do I say? Insert merge field. What field should come there? What field should come there? My title field should come there. My title details should fall in that gap. Is it clear? So I tell Microsoft Word, all the titles in my database should come and fall over there. Okay, done. The space is still there. Don't remove the space. Huh? Then carefully select last name. Carefully select L name. With the keyboard even you can do it. Click, exactly. Click, shift, right. Carefully select only last name. Come to insert merge field and say, I want L name details to be there. Then guys, can you all carefully select address 1? Carefully select address 1 only. Come and say insert merge field, address 1. Then carefully select address 2. And say insert merge field, address 2 should be there. Then carefully select P code. And say I want the P code to be there. Now you have told, boys, girls, you have now told Microsoft Word where you want the details to appear. Where title should appear, where last name should appear. You have now told it. Okay?
Before you went here.
Yes, boys, girls, everyone. Everyone look here. There is also first name and party type to be merged. So everybody, I'm going to carefully select first name only. Carefully select your first name, F name only with the brackets. And I'm going to say insert merge field. I want the first name there. So dear, and then the F name should come there. Then party type also, can you all merge it? Select party type and say, you know what? I want a party type field to be inserted there. So carefully select this, come to insert merge field and say party type should be dropped over here. Are we okay with this? So now there's no more merging fields, no? There are no more merging fields. Okay? Right. So everybody, I have... okay, everyone? Somebody called me, I said, I'll come to you. Okay. Okay, right, everybody. Can you all, boys, can you all format your letter to look a bit more proper before we complete it? Now, these are all italic now. Everybody, all these are italic. Can you all switch off italic? Can you all see it's a bit slanted? It's all italic. So come to the home tab and say italic off. Straighten all of them. Straighten all of them, okay? Then guys, can you all bold the date? The date, let's bold it. And let's keep one more gap. Between the date and the contact details, keep one more gap. Then their first name, I'm going to bold it. Then party type, it doesn't have to be italic. I'm going to remove italic for party type. Remove italic. Then looking forward, again, it's italic. I'm removing italic. Remove italic. And broken, I'm going to make it bold. Can you all make these formatting changes? What did I do? The date I bold. I removed all the italic effects. Okay. Dear first name, I bold it. Brogan manager, I bold it. Sorry? Anyone needs any? Okay. Without sitting alone, you come and sit with him or something at least, will you? Sorry? No, he came very late. After I finish this, he can come. I'm going to sit with Jaden. Jaden, he's going to sit with you, okay? You only messaged me yesterday, right? Okay. No, you sit in your normal place. He will sit there. Up to you. Up to you. Choose. We'll do together. Okay. Guys, girls, everyone, look here. Now we need to merge it, right? Everybody? We need to merge it now here. Can you guys resave your letter first? Resave your letter also in PDF format. Can somebody remind me? How do I get this into PDF? Very good. So where do I go first? File, save as. File, save as. And then over here, I click on browse. And then my computer asks me, okay, you want to make a copy of this file now? What is the name you want? What is the type you want? So for type, I will choose PDF. Same name, the type will become PDF. Does that make sense? Did you make it PDF? Everyone, my file name will remain the same. The type will become PDF. Okay. So now are you going to open it after publishing? Not really. I'm going to untick this. I don't want to open it after publishing. And now I click on save. So now guys, girls, you all can see my letter has been saved in PDF format. Okay, my letter is now in PDF format. Everyone look at my folder here. Where? It hasn't appeared yet for me. Right, everyone done with that? Boys, put everything else away. Now I want to produce my letters. Guys, can we produce the letters? Okay, Atif, why are you typing so much? Just save it as PDF. Don't go to change the file name or anything. Okay, right, everyone. I'm going to go into mailings. No, you finish your work. I'm going to go into mailings. I'm going to produce the letter now. I was merging it all this time. So when I produce it, how many letters should I have? Why did you say 3? Exactly, because I have only 3 contacts. So I should receive 3 letters. So guys, in mailings, can you all say finish and merge? Click on finish and merge and say edit individual documents. Everyone okay with this? Go into your mailings tab and say finish and merge and say edit individual documents. So then read the title of the message that appears. What does it say? Do you want to merge these to a new document? Isn't that what yeah? Do it again. So look here. Right now, this is merging. No, it didn't get merged yet, right? I don't have my letters yet, no? So I'm going to complete the merge now. The final step is what? In the mailing step, you come and click on finish and merge. And you say, I want to edit every single letter. Okay. So when you click on that, Microsoft Word asks you a question. Do you want to merge these to a new document? I want to merge it to a new document, right? I want to merge this to a new document. All of them. I want to merge all of them. So I click on all and I click on OK. As soon as I click on OK, what would happen? I'm going to get a new Word document with 3 letters in them. Click and see if that happens. Click on OK and see if that happens. So now guys, can you see I got a new document with 3 letters. Letter number 1, letter number 2, letter number 3. Everyone saw that? I have 3 letters now. Are we okay? Okay. I have 3 letters now. Okay. Do you have a laptop with you, Abdul? No. I can't come all the way there. Come and sit somewhere here. Or come here. Too far behind. Right, everyone. So guys, girls, all of y'all, now we have produced our merged letters. Agreed? Did you all see 3 letters? Okay. Guys, until you see 3 letters, you can't say done. You have to see 3 letters. So Prabodha, what has happened is in your main document, Prabodha, in your main document, you're having a blank page. That's why. So when you produced it, It's giving letter blank page, letter blank page. You get it? So not a problem. What to do? Okay. In your main document, you would have kept a blank page. See, I don't have a blank page. Okay. You got 3 letters, then your job is done. Okay, Neturi, let's move. Right. Everyone, I'm going to keep moving. Are you all done? Save the document as merge and also save it in PDF format. Everyone, can you do that? Your produced document, the document with the 3 letters. Can you click on save and save it as merge? Careful, you're pushing the camera. Okay. Can you click on save? Click on save. As soon as you click on save, it will ask you what's the name. The name is going to be merge. So I'm going to say file, save as, wrong. The wrong document I'm saving. The document with your 3 letters, can you click on save? The document with your 3 letters, when you click on save, it will ask you where do you want to save it. So come into browse and choose your 2022 folder. Inside 2022, the name is going to be what? Merged. Merged. Everyone saw this? The name is going to be merged. You're going to save it in how many types? 2 types, right? Word and PDF. You're going to save these letters in 2 formats, Word and PDF. Okay. So merged, I click on save. And then again, I'm going to click on file, save as, and save it in PDF format. Again, I'm going to click on file, save a copy or save as. I'm going to click on browse. Browse, and I'm going to save it in PDF format. PDF. Guys, girls, okay? PDF format. And I'm going to click on save. Right, I'm waiting for you all. Okay. You can proceed. Right, guys, girls. Everybody, come. Everybody, I'm going to move on now. So naturally, you need to sign in then. Do you know the email address that you used? Or see if you can close this and does it still work? Close this and see if it still works. 2023, right? Why do you want 2023? Just to practice on your own. Okay, I'll give it to you. All right, everybody, we are moving down. Everyone, can you close the merge document and letter document? Acrobat is PDF. I'll come to your laptop. Boys, girls, everyone, look here. Boys. Everyone over here. No, Yusuf, you move in front. Don't keep 3. It's difficult for me to see the laptop. You just come in the front table and sit. Everybody, I'm closing this now. The merge document, I'm closing it. And the letter document also, I'm closing it. Can you close both of them? The merge document, I'm closing. Letter document, also, I'm closing. Do you want to save it? Yes, save. Everybody okay with this? Now, the question paper says, everyone, question paper says to create a new Word document. The name of the Word document is task B4B. Are we okay with this? Close letter, close merged. We are done with that now. Close those 2. And now create a new Word document called task B4B. Are we okay with this? So in my 2022 folder, I'm going to right click and say, I want a new Word document. Right click and say new Word document. What was the name? Task B4B. Task B4B. Are we okay with this? In your 2022 folder, right click and say new Word document. The name is task B4B. Okay. So you have to open it up now. Can you guys open it up and go into the footer? Guys. Okay. Guys, can you go down to the footer? Double click and open the footer. Everybody, double click and open the footer. Task B4B, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Hurry up, please. Task B4B, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Can we get that down soon? Task B4B, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Guys, sorry, my bad, in the header. Everybody, in the header, not footer. Everybody, my bad. Remove it and put it in the header, please. Control X. Put it in the header, please. Task B4B, your name, candidate number, and center number in the header, not footer. Okay. Task B4B, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Boys, I'm closing this now. Question number 1 over here. Explain one advantage of using mail merge to produce letters for Brogan's customers. Advantage number 1, can I have an answer, please? So I'm going to put Roman number 1. I dot. Yes, can I have an advantage? Saves time since Brogan will not have to. Don't say 3, just say he will not have to type every single letter, isn't it? You can say with mail merge, boys, girls, with mail merge, Brogan can save a lot of time since he will not have to type the details of his contacts in every single letter. Okay. Instead, he has to only type the letter once and connect it to his contact source. So everyone, the biggest advantage with mail merge is you're saving on time. You don't go to every letter and type your customer's details. No, you simply connect your letter to your customer's details. Okay. Okay. So the biggest advantage with mail merge is you're saving on time, but you can't just say saving on time without an explanation. How is he saving on time? He doesn't have to type the contact details on every single letter. Instead, he types the letter once and connects that letter to his contact source. Okay. I'm going to move on to the next question. 1 second, I'll do the next one. I'll type. State one software facility that can be used to ensure accuracy when reviewing a document. Guys, I did not teach this to you all. Everyone look here below. Boys, look here. Boys, girls, look here below. If you come into review tab, can you see there is something called spelling and grammar here? Everyone, girls, over there. When you click on spelling and grammar, do you see there's an option called, when you click on review, do you see there's an option called spelling and grammar? This is a built-in function or a feature in Microsoft Word that will automatically check your Word document for spelling mistakes. Did you get what I just told you all? Everyone, what did I just tell you all? Microsoft Word has a built-in spelling and grammar feature. It will automatically go through your document looking for spelling mistakes and it will correct them for you. Are we okay? Can we note that down, guys? It's asking us over here. one software facility that can be used to ensure accuracy. So you can say over here, spelling and grammar can be used to ensure accuracy when reviewing a document. Everybody, spelling and grammar feature in Word can be used to ensure accuracy when reviewing a document. Can we get that down, please? Spelling and grammar feature in Word can be used to ensure accuracy when reviewing a document. Are we okay with this? We have one more question coming up. We have one more question coming up. The last question is difference between data and information. Can somebody tell me? Data is raw facts. Data is raw facts. Okay. It cannot be directly understood. Information is very good. Information is processed data. It can be understood by the user. Is it clear? Data is raw facts. You don't understand, just numbers and letters. Okay, in order for you to understand it, it has to be processed. Then it becomes meaningful. It becomes information. Information is processed data. It can be understood by the user. It's meaningful. While data is the opposite. It's raw facts. Now, everybody over here, 2016, everyone has 2016 over here? Anyone who doesn't have 2016 data files? You don't have it. Take it from the pen drive and then everyone 2016, you all must have it before you all take your break. Copy the best behind. Everyone 2016 will be starting after the break. Please make sure you have it before you take the break. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, save your work. Now we are done with 2022. You can save your work and close everything inside 2022. We are then going to move on to 2016 in 10 minutes. Yes, guys, girls, all of y'all, we are back. We now start the 2016 past paper question. Okay. So everybody, those who don't have it yet, can you create the folder 2016? 2016 past paper word processing question. And inside this particular folder, inside the 2016 folder, everyone, the following files need to be inside it. Okay. You all need to have a total of how many? 5 files. Can you all please make sure I have these 5 files inside it? The question paper, Peter's, logo, draft, and cottage. Okay, stop everything else now. Everyone. Hurry up, please. Okay, so there are 5 files over there. If there's anybody online who is new, I think we have some newcomers today. So guys, I'm giving you all the 5 files. These belong to your 2016 word processing past paper question folder. Okay. Oh, I'm sending it to one person. My bad. Sending it to everyone now. Yes, everyone, stop everything else now and look over here. Done? Right. So I'm going to open up the question paper and in 1 minute, I'm going to get started. Until then, everyone read the scenario. 2016 question paper. Hurry up. Can you put that in please? Break it over. Away. The phone ring over there. What are those? Relax.
Yeah. Yeah. So,
Right, ask your question there. Right, everybody. Guys, everyone, I'm moving down. Everybody, I'm gonna move down now. Did you all read this scenario? It's about area holiday rentals. Okay, the company rents out cottages in Scotland. Everyone with me? Then it goes on to say you have the contact details. Everyone, did you all see the contact details? Now, guys, you're supposed to. Martin wants a new letterhead for the company. Boys, we are going to get started now. Martin wants a new letterhead for the company. Do you guys remember the parts of a letterhead? So in the top, what do we have? In a letterhead, what are the parts of a letterhead? Okay, header, footer. What's in the header normally? Company name, company logo, and contact details also. You can put the contact details in the top or in the bottom, isn't it? And you keep the middle space blank, right? The middle space is generally kept blank. Okay, right. Martin wants a new letterhead for the company. Open a new Word document. What is the name of the Word document? Task WP1A. Boys, task WP1A. Can you guys enter these details in the footer? Okay, done. So everybody in your 2016 folder, Ashwin, all of you look here. In your 2016 folder, what do? Right click. I want a new Word document. Right click, new Word document. The name of the Word document was what? Task WP1A. Am I right? Task WP1A. Everyone saw this? You right click in your folder and say new Word document. Task WP1A. And then we open this Word document and we go into the header or footer. We go into the footer. So give me a second. So we open the document and we scroll down. And right at the bottom, what do? We double click. Task WP1, your name, your candidate number, and your center number. Can you guys do that? Task WP1, your name, candidate number, and your center number. Okay? Which one? Creating the document or footer? Creating the document. So how do we create a document? You right click and you say you want a new Word document. Now do this inside your 2016 folder. What's the name of the Word document? Task WP1A. Okay? Open that Word document, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and over there, what do you say? Task WP1, your name, candidate number, and center number in the footer. Correct. Okay? Right, everybody, I'm going to keep moving. It then goes on to say, create a letterhead for Terria Holiday Rentals using the company contact details from the file cottage, boys. From the file cottage. Can you guys open up cottage? In the file cottage, guys, can you all see the company's contact details are there? Everyone, open up the file cottage. Exactly. In the, everybody, girls over there, did you all open up cottage file? In the cottage file at the bottom, can you all see the contact details are there? Now you can't just copy and paste, you have to arrange it as well. We'll deal with it. And then guys, you have to also use the logo. Create a letterhead using the contact details and the logo. So guys, in your folder, can you all see the logo has been given to you all? You guys saw it? In your folder, logo has been given. Now I'm going to get started. Guys, can you all first make sure your paper is A4? How do we do that? Boys behind, Atif, all of y'all. I want to make sure my paper is A4. Page layout or layout, size A4. Everyone, size A4. Make sure your paper is A4, okay? Then guys, I'm going to put my logo for a letterhead. What is the ideal place to put a logo? Top right, top left? Top left would be better, right? Isn't it? Or you can even keep in the center, not a problem. Up to you. I would prefer to keep in the top left. So everyone, I'm going to keep my logo over here, okay? My logo, I'm going to keep it over here. Can we make the margins narrow? So we have more space. Abdul, what are you waiting for? Can you make your margins narrow? What are you waiting for? Do you have the files? Okay. Can we come into layout? Margins narrow. So you have more space to work with. Margins, come into layout, margins narrow. Navik, what are you waiting for? What is this pen drive? I don't know. Okay. Everyone, margins narrow. Okay. Now what am I going to do over here? I'm going to copy my logo. Control C. Control C. I'm going to come over here and Control V. Everybody okay with this? Devices on silent. Okay. Not necessary. If you want to put the header, you can just put it at the top even, not a problem. Everyone, let's do this again. Control Z. I'm going to copy my logo, girls. Control C. And I'm going to paste it on the top left. Control V. And obviously, it's way too big. From the corners, can you make it smaller? Make your logo smaller from the corners. Okay, this size looks decent. Are we okay with this? So I have my logo here. Hurry up, please.
You actually Hello, now all the time.
Next week, I'm going to be changing things. I don't know. You find it. Everyone, now I'm going to put the boys, girls, everyone, everybody. Now I'm going to be inserting the company name. Okay. So I prefer to put the company name over here. So I'm going to be using a text box to put the company name. Okay, everyone. I'm going to be using a text box to put the company name. So I'm going to come into, where do you find text box?
Yes.
You come into insert and you have your text box over here. Insert text box, and I'm going to say draw text box over here. Insert text box, draw text box. And then over here, I'm going to be drawing my text box. And what was the company name? The company name was Terrier Holiday Rentals. Terrier Holiday Rentals. Holiday Rentals. Everybody, are you all okay with this? I use the text box to enter the company name. Now, obviously, it doesn't look like a company name. The font is very small. It doesn't stand out. We will work on those. Okay. Terrier Holiday Rentals. I'll tell you. So guys, now you choose. I'm going to center align it. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. I don't know how big you choose. I have taken 36. 36 seems to be okay. I'm going to bold it. Teria Holiday Rentals. Okay. Everyone okay with this? Yeah. Guys, what is the next one? All of you. 1 second. Everybody, my text box, everyone, my text box is having a border here now. My text box is having a border here. Boys, look here. My text box is having a border. So I'm going to come into shape format and say shape outline. I don't want it. It's up to you. If you want, you can keep an outline. If you want, you can remove the outliner. Is it clear? We come to shape outline and we say what? No outliner. Are we okay with this? Shape outline, no outliner. Are we okay with this? So I remove the outline of my text box. I'll click on it and do it again. Control Z. Click on this shape format, shape outline, and I'm going to say no outliner. Okay? No outliner. Okay? Right. That's also fine, CC. Up to you. You can design it the way you want. I'm giving you all the most basic design. Okay? Right. Everybody, I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to insert one more text box for the company's contact details. Okay, so I'm going to insert one more text box. Insert text box, draw text box from this end to this end. Is it clear? I'm going to draw text box from here to here. Okay, now guys, company contact details are given to us now. So you have to copy, paste and arrange it. Now address I do need, but the owner's name do you need? You don't need owner's name. Again, the company's name we don't need. One by one copy. Address word I need. Control C. I'll come and paste it here. Control V. I'll bold the word address. Control B. Then I will off bold and I will copy the address 142 to 144. Control C. Control V. Now guys, you can't have them in the next line, in the same line. Take it up. Again, press backspace. Take it up. Again, press backspace, take it up. Everyone saw this? This is the address. Then below this, I'm going to copy and paste telephone, website, email. Control C, Control V. The word telephone, I'll bold it. Website, everyone look here. Guys, girls, look here below. Everyone look here. Can you all see website is in the next line now? Boys, look here. Boys over there. Look here. Can you see website is in the next line? I want to take it up now. Sorry, telephone number, I want to take it up now. I keep the cursor, boys, look here. I keep the cursor before my telephone number and I press backspace. So it goes up. Everyone okay with this? Now, how do I take website up? Keep the cursor before website and press backspace. So it goes up. Okay. And if you want, increase the space. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I'm going to bold the word website. Again, guys, the website address, I want to take it up. Keep the cursor before the address, press backspace. Keep a space. Email, I want to take it up. Keep the cursor before E, backspace. 1, 2, 3. We bold it. The email address, I want to take it up. Backspace. 1, 2, 3. Let's make this a bit bigger. Let's center align this. Control E. Hurry up, guys. This is the design I have come up with. Can you all work on this sort of a design? This is the design I have come up with. You can choose your own one. Okay. Zoom in. You're typing it in the contact details file. In the contact details file, not contact details file, what file? In the cottage file, the contact details have been given to you all. Okay? You all don't need to type it, you all can copy and paste and then arrange it to make it look neat. What are you doing, this way? Yes, guys, can you all save your work? Everybody. Guys, girls, everyone, can you all save your work, please? I'll be continuing this from next week. Everybody. Perfect, literally perfect. It looks completely all right.